Right, so current situation, we have a fault on the panel. It's an EMF wireless system on a Kentech panel. That's the parts here. And we'll show you step by step, yeah, how to sort these kind of situations out. Right, simple as, first thing, come up to the panel. Problem is, right, we have apartment 24, address 17, heat detector, zone, blah, 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 internal fault. Previously diagnosed by previous engineer that it was water damaged, which is why I have as an internal fault. Right, so apartment 17, level 6, off we go. Right, off we go. Right, so downstairs, as you all saw, that was the Kentech panel, 4-loop Kentech panel. This is the hardwired loop expander, which is used to obviously wirelessly transmit all the wireless detectors in the flat. Let's go knock on the flat, see who's in. Yeah, come do the old heat detector that needs replacing, the 41.
Okay.
Is that alright? Thank you. Right, I'll if you keep your door open, I'm gonna sort out the old external device there, yeah. And then I'll come back out here.
Okay, fine.
Right, so open the expander. Got one fault on it. Now that is the device that is in that apartment over there with the internal fault. So what we do is, what we first want to do is remove the device. Right now, so what you want to do is find a device ident number, which I already know that device there is 9C40D, not just because of the exclamation mark, but because it does sound a heat detector and I've already had a look at it before. Remove device, yes. Removing device. Go all the way back to the main menu. Press the home button, add new device. And now, get ready, new device. Right, so this is the new device. This is where you get the ident number on them. AE40A, that's the new ident number that we're going to be registering on now on the loop expander. That's the heat detector, the head. So the main thing that you've got to do as well, most people forget, is on the back of there is a jumper. That's the power on. Now it's powered on. Do another manual power, right? Press here to log on. LED light will flash up. Leave that there. Add new device on this system, and that will come up. Add device AE40A, you press yes, and then you note that number down on your Excel sheet or wherever you keep all the log of your detectors for the building that you're working. That's adding device. That was address 17 that we wanted it to be. New address. Third detector added on this loop expander. Everything is hunky-dory and sorted. No faults at the moment, and we'll go fit that on now into the apartment, and that is it, everything's sorted. That's the old detector up there. That just removes like that. That's off the system now. That's all faulty. What you do, screw the new one on, and that is it. Beautiful. That's all sorted now.
Right, okay.
Yeah, that's all done now. So what I'll do is, if I don't knock again, that means everything's all right.
Yes, okay.
If I knock again, then that means there's another situation that needs to get sorted.
All
Yeah.
right, okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Right,
cheers.
thank you.
Ta-da, cheerio. I'm happy. Customer's happy. What else do you want? Fault free. Zip up the expander. Tighten it all up. Make sure you do it properly because there is a tamper switch on here as well on these expanders. So you have to make sure that they close up nicely and securely and use all 4 screws. Right, that's all zipped up, lovely jubbly. Got all the tabs on as well, no faults. Alright, here's a moment of truth. That's it, panels fault free, all sorted. No more annoying beeping noise. Residents are happy, I'm happy. Sorted up.